Have you ever wondered about the hidden life that thrives beneath the surface of our planet's lakes, rivers, and oceans? The answer lies in the microscopic world of diatoms, tiny, single-celled algae that form the backbone of aquatic ecosystems worldwide. These tiny organisms, invisible to the naked eye, are as fascinating as they are crucial. Diatoms are distinguished by their intricate silica shells, or frustules. These shells are a marvel of nature's design, etched with complex patterns that reflect the immense diversity of diatom species. Each frustule is a testament to the beauty of the microscopic world, a world that often goes unnoticed in our day-to-day lives. But diatoms are more than just microscopic masterpieces. They are primary producers, forming the base of the food chain in aquatic environments. Their role in these ecosystems is paramount, providing essential nutrients for a multitude of organisms. Without diatoms, the intricate web of life in our waters would unravel. These tiny algae inhabit a wide range of environments, from the freshwater bodies of our lands to the vast expanse of our oceans, and even within the damp soil. Their ubiquitous presence and adaptability make them key indicators of water quality and overall ecosystem health. By studying diatoms, scientists can glean valuable insights into the health of our planet. Beyond their ecological importance, diatoms also hold significant potential for scientific research and technological innovation. The unique properties of their silica shells have inspired breakthroughs in fields as diverse as nanotechnology and material science. The humble diatom, it seems, holds the key to advancements that could shape our future. In summary, diatoms are microscopic marvels that play a vital role in our planet's ecosystems. They are not only visually stunning, but also ecologically significant, serving as primary producers in aquatic environments. They inhabit a variety of habitats, acting as indicators of water quality and ecosystem health. Moreover, their unique silica shells offer exciting prospects for scientific research and technological innovation. So remember, beneath the surface of our planet's waters lies a world teeming with life, a world where diatoms reign supreme. These tiny organisms may be small in size, but their impact on our planet is anything but. The world of diatoms is a testament to the beauty, complexity, and resilience of life on Earth.